In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can earn $500 per day as a passive income using copy and paste method. So I'm going to show you the website. I'm going to show you where you can get those articles and how you can post it and how you can earn money. So watch the video until the end for the full tutorials. Before that, I make videos on money making, money saving tutorials. I try to upload one video every day. So subscribe, like and share, guys. So before we get into video, look at this website. This website ranking on 102 in the worldwide, and USA they are ranking number 75. And if we come down to bottom, and you can see this website generating over 326 million visitors per month. So 326 traffic per month. So you can tap into that traffic source, organic free traffic, and you can see these are the top tier countries this website generating traffic from. First, USA, UK, Canada, Australia and Germany. So I'm going to show you the way that you can use this website to earn money. And remember that this website also has its own app, so you can use it in your mobile devices, guys. So what you have to do now, when you come to making passive income, the one of the best way is affiliate marketing. So you're going to use two websites. One is called Digistore24 and ClickBank. The website which I showed you before not allow ClickBank affiliate links for some reason, but other than that they allow other affiliate link from different websites. So I'm going to show you an alternative way for ClickBank, but this video I'm going to go through with Digistore24. On here you have to find an affiliate product that you want to promote. I always recommend business, technology and fitness related product that tend to do well, so pick one from those niches. So here I'm going to pick this one. With this product is called support affiliate marketing system, done for you system. If I promote that, I'm going to earn between $400 to $500 per day. So if I had to make one sale per day to make $500 per day, so you have to do, you understand this product, then you're gonna get your affiliate link from Digistore24. Now before I show you the website, I'm gonna show you how you can do that, how you can use this website and how you can promote your affiliate link. So what you have to do now, you need to provide some value for your readers or the viewers. So you can do different ways in this website. I'm going to show you, but the number one way is giving a content. So basically you have to go to killerplrarticle.com. so I put the link in the description, check it out. Here where you can download you can download articles in any topic, guys, and you can use it for free on your website, social media, whatever, wherever you want. Now here in this killerplrarticle.com, I'll find an articles about affiliate marketing. These are the articles are there that you can use all of these articles in your website, blog, social media, wherever you want. So this is the article I want to use. Now in this stage I have my affiliate product is ready and I find the affiliate link, and number third is I also find an article that I want to promote. So I'm going to show you the website here now where you can post these articles. The website is called Tumblr. That you can see tumblr.com is like social media where you can post articles, links, pictures, videos, codes and audios, and you can do a lot of things, because I'm going to show you certain ways that you can use Tumblr to make money. The number one way is copy and paste articles. So here that you can see, for example, for affiliate marketing, this is the video, this is the pictures, and these are some articles. You can see this is an article. So people are posting on related to affiliate marketing on Tumblr. But if you don't want to promote affiliate marketing, you can use weight loss. You can see people are posting these articles. 13,000 likes, guys, 22,000 likes, 32,000 likes, guys. You can see articles, pictures, videos. You can post on here and you can put your affiliate link, and you can do direct linking. I'm going to show you and prove an example right now, guys. So what you have to do after you create your free account with them, you're going to create your content. So what you have to do, come to the top of the page and you're going to click this pen icon here or pencil icon, and it will give you these things. These are the things that you can do with this Tumblr. Text, which is articles, photos, code, link, chat, audio and video. But in this video I'm going to show you how you can do text, photo, link and video, guys. So watch it under the end for that. So what you have to do, you have to click this one called text, and now you take to this page where you're gonna copy and paste your article. So what you have to do, go to kill up your article, copy the title, go back to Tumblr, put your title there, and now copy the content, go back to Tumblr, put it on here. Now go to your Digistore 24 or not ClickBank, because ClickBank direct link is not allowed. Now what you do, copy that link, your affiliate link, which is this one, copy that and go to your Tumblr account and highlight any part that you want, click this link icon, put your link and click done. Now come down to bottom here, click the tag button, so type your tag, so affiliate marketing, so something like that, make money online. So you can add as many as hashtag you want, and you're gonna click post. That's it, guys. Your article is post. So if you want to see your article is post correctly, what you have to do, you have to click this people icon, a person icon here, and you're gonna click this one called post, and it will take to your page. You can see your incredible power of free internet and affiliate marketing. This is the article that you post, they don't block it. And again, see that this is the article I posted. Again, this is the ClickBank product I am promoting, but I'm going to show you how you can do that. So you can see here, and this is my YouTube video I'm promoting, and this is another article I'm promoting. They don't block my articles. For Digistore, they don't block any articles though if you post a direct link, but with the ClickBank there's an issue. So what you can do for the ClickBank, I always do this, go to this one, Google site, and you can create entire site on Google site, which is free and easy to do. Again, you can do copy and paste method. You can copy the articles from here, kill up your articles. These are the articles. You copy that and you can highlight this part and you're going to insert your affiliate link. Now after you did that, you have this link here, you can see here. You're going to copy this, come back to Tumblr, you're going to you're going to click this one pen icon, pencil icon, you're going to click this one called link, and what you're going to do, you're going to copy and paste that link here. Now if you did that, you can see your entire web page is come to that. So you're going to type how to burn, it's a description, burn fat. Then you can type the description, but this video I keep it short. For the hashtag, again I'm going to do it like burn fat weight loss, something like that, right? After you've done that, you click post, and your article, your link is posted. So whenever people click this one, it will automatically take to your Google site, and from that they can click the link for the ClickBank product. This is the second way that you can do. You can use the link. And for the pictures, again, if you want to, if you don't have any articles but you want to do direct linking, what you have to do, go to Canva here, and you're going to click this one called create a design, and you're going to use this one called Tumblr graphic, and you're going to basically do that. You can see done for your affiliate system, earn $500 per day. So add some pictures, download that. Again, what you have to do, go to Digistore 24, because for the pictures the Digistore links are work, not a ClickBank link. So again, copy that link, and you can click this one called photos here, and you upload the big photos that you are downloaded. So here, and you upload that. Again, it's done. Come down to the bottom, type the caption, so how to make money with affiliate marketing, something like, right? Then what you do, highlight this affiliate marketing bit, insert your link, click done, add hashtags. So you're gonna do affiliate marketing, so add as many as you want, click post, and your post is posted. Okay, if you want to see it's working or fine, refresh the page, that you can see your post is not removed and your affiliate link is here. If they click it, it's automatically take to the Digistore affiliate page, guys. This is another way. There's a final way that you can do. If you have videos, click this video section, but the videos that you can do, you can add video from web or upload the video directly. So for example, if you have a YouTube channel that you are promoting any affiliate program or affiliate product, or you upload a videos into any YouTube account, you get that shareable link here. Then what you do, go back to your Tumblr and you can upload a video from web, and you can copy and paste your URLs, and this is the video. Now what you do, again, type whatever you want about this product, add the hashtag, click post, and it will automatically post it on here. Whenever people click it, they will play the video, or they can click this title and it will automatically take them into your YouTube account. Or otherwise, if you put any caption in the bottom like you did for the pictures, and you can put the affiliate link in the bottom, guys. So these are the ways that you can use Tumblr to make money. You can post direct linking, pictures, videos, and copy and paste articles, put your affiliate link inside that, and you can make passive income. Again, remember this, Tumblr, like another social media, you have to post contents every single day to keep your account is active. So Tumblr started to promote for lots of other people. So you can see for the affiliate marketing here, you can see here 751 notes. Basically, notes mean like. So if I click this one, say 752 notes, so 1500, 154, 191. So these people are getting likes, which mean Tumblr is promoting affiliate marketing related contents for its own viewers. So there's the viewers are there. So what you have to do, you have to create contents for the topic that you want to promote, guys. Keep doing that every single day. Promote the contents, so whenever people click and buy it, you can make affiliate commission, guys. Again, this is an alternative for Facebook or Instagram or TikTok or YouTube, and not for the YouTube. For those website block their affiliate links, here you can force it for free, guys. So I hope you understand this video. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Also, if you have any topic to cover in the next videos, leave me that in the comment section. I will make that video for you guys. Under that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.